Welcome to this episode of the Revise Science with Me series. This video will coach you to make and use an interactive revision tool to recall the key glands in the endocrine system, the hormones they make and secrete, and the function of those hormones. I will be your science revision coach to guide you through this revision session to enable you to get the retrieval practice you need to get the best possible marks in your science exams. For this session, you will need a quiet place to work for at least 20 minutes, a set of index cards, a decent pen or marker, a source of information such as your science exercise book, revision guide of an appropriate tier and exam board, course textbook, exam mark scheme, or any other relevant source of information. Visit the products page on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website for all the equipment you may need in one place online. If you need to get the equipment listed, you can press the pause button now to go and collect. First, write the main glands of the endocrine system on individual index cards using your source of information to guide you. Press the pause button so you can do this now. Second, write on separate index cards, in preferably a different color pen, the hormones made in each of the glands that you listed in step 1. You can press the pause button now so you can complete this. Third, write on a separate index card in a different color from steps 1 and 2, the function of each hormone listed in step 2. Press the pause button now to complete this. Finally, close your source of information, shuffle all the cards you've now made, and turn them over with the writing face down and spread out on your table. Press the pause button now to complete this. Congratulations, you have now made an interactive revision tool. This should not have taken you more than 20 minutes to create. But now that you have made it, you can use it repeatedly to help you remember some of the key glands in the endocrine system and their functions. Making this is revision in and of itself. You will turn 3 cards over and you see if they match. If they do, remove them from the table. If they don't match, replace them in their original locations, face down, and turn over another 3 cards. Keep doing this until you have remembered where the matching cards are located. This interactive revision tool uses all your senses and both sides of your brain, and it will increase the chances of you remembering the connections between the information on the cards the more frequently you reuse this interactive revision tool. Spend another 20-minute revision session trying to put the cards in the right spaces and matching them up. Each time, check your answers. Time how quickly you've been able to match the cards. Repeat this during the 20-minute session as many times as you can. The faster you get, the better your memory. And you can use a stopwatch to support you with this. You can also work with a revision partner and you can race yourselves. Reuse this interactive revision tool for as many times as possible before your exam. You can watch my video on revision cycles in the metacognition playlist for more information about how this technique is beneficial for your memory. If you haven't already put together a revision timetable, you should get that done. I have a template that you can edit on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website. You should now remember the main glands of the endocrine system and their functions if you have used the revision tool as I've described in this video. Remember to follow this up with past paper exam questions, and you can also find these online, and I've included a link in the description that can help you with this. Good luck.